Hey crafters, it's Alex Vanover back with Divine Design Crafts. I'm in the 651 Vinyl studio today because, as most of you know, I work full-time for 651 Vinyl in marketing and social media. So I'm here to show you a couple of new products that 651 Vinyl has just released to our customers. The first product is the 651 Vinyl tool holder. This tool holder is so cool because not only is it pretty, it is also super functional. One of the things we love about this is the high quality silicone that is able to separate and move around, so you can store tons of different kinds of tools in this tool holder. We also love that it stores tools upright so that you don't lose your tools when they're all jumbled in one place. So I have here a pair of jewelry pliers, a pair of tweezers, fits into one of the smaller leaves, scissors fit in here, an X-Acto knife, a Cricut marker, and our clear vinyl cutter. Comes in this beautiful mint color and this red color that you see here. So it's gonna match a lot of your tools. Any size craft space would have room for one of these tool holders. It's awesome and we love it. The second product I want to show you today is called the Ring tool. The Ring tool is a super neat little tool that's going to help you use jump rings easier and without a second pair of jewelry pliers. The Ring comes in one size only. It measures a ring size 7. I'm using it on my thumb, but you can use it for any finger that works for you, and that's why it's one size fits all. And it has 4 different size slots, which is awesome because it allows you to use jump rings of any size with this Ring tool. To use the Ring tool, you're going to hold on to one side of your jump ring with your jewelry pliers, and the other side of your jump ring is going to be inserted into the Ring tool, whichever slot works best for the size of jump ring that you're using. Then you can use the jewelry pliers to separate the sides of the jump ring, and you can do whatever you need to do with your jump ring, add your acrylic or your jewelry, and then you can insert the side of the jump ring back into the ring and easily close your jump ring with your jewelry pliers. This Ring tool is going to be an amazing tool in your toolbox because it is so helpful. My name's Alex Vanover, and if you haven't already subscribed to Divine Design Crafts, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification next to subscribe so that you never miss a new video. Let's craft again soon.